lot of people do not realize that food intake and water intake play a very big role, in exam preparation. A lot of people are going to eat a lot and then they will, feel sleepy. So, and as a result of it, when you eat a lot and you have the urge to sleep a little more, obviously you are not going to be highly efficient and effective. Fine. So be a little more careful while eating, that you are not overdoing it. If you are going to eat a lot, overdo it, then you are going to feel sleepy more often than not, and that is not going to work in your favor. So please try to avoid overeating. That's one thing. It has to be avoided under all circumstances, by the way. But then again, especially while preparing for the exams, be a little more careful that you are not overeating and that is not, affecting your sleeping patterns. Another very important thing, which needs to be understood is that water is the regulator of our body. Fine. Our body is more than 70% water and it needs water to survive. If we are not going to provide it with enough water, that is, at least 8 to 12 glasses of water, if we are not going to do that, in some circumstances, if you are living in hotter areas, up to 16 glasses of water need to be consumed, need to be provided to your body in order to keep it calm. Because if you are not drinking enough water, your nerves are not going to be provided water, and that is where they are going to become stiff or constricted, and then you will feel the heat of things a little more. So try to have as much water and liquids when you are preparing for the exam, and it is going to help you in keeping yourself calm for longer periods of time. Thank you very much.